Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.